Namaste friends. The topic is competency number PY 5.10 blood pressure. Not just from this topic, in fact from whole CVS, one of the most important questions always include describe short-term regulation of blood pressure and describe long-term regulation of blood pressure. What we think is that to answer both the question, what can be done? First, we can enumerate seven important short-term mechanisms and seven important long-term mechanisms, and thereafter we can describe the important ones. So let's see these mechanisms first. For short-term, first we write nervous reflexes, and we are having mnemonic for these nervous reflexes: big B and all other C. So one reflex starts from B and three reflex start from C. From B, baroreceptor, and from three C's respectively cardiopulmonary reflex, chemoreceptor reflex, and CNS ischemic reflex. What we should also mention in the short term are these three mechanisms. In true sense, they are intermediate term mechanism because these mechanism takes minutes to hours to start. But we can mention in the short term, and our mnemonic is and Captain Shahrukh. Our captain is Shahrukh and Captain Shahrukh. So one mechanism from A, abdominal compression reflex, one mechanism from C, capillary fluid shift mechanism, and one mechanism from S, stress relaxation and reverse stress relaxation. So these seven mechanisms can be mentioned first, and then especially nervous reflex, most specifically baroreceptor reflex, can be described. Now see seven mechanism for long term, and here enters our heroine. So our mnemonic is Kajol hai. So long term mechanism include one mechanism from K, that is role of kidney, and all other majority of the mechanism from H, that is role of hormones. In the hormones we are having many hormones, but the most important one is angiotensin 2, renin angiotensin aldosterone mechanism. So these two should be described also. But in emergency there is role of some other hormone also: ADH, antidiuretic hormone, role of epinephrine, and role of ANP. They can be just mentioned only in the emergency. Is this end? No. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. So one mechanism from E and one mechanism from N. From E we are having role of endothelin, most important local vasoconstrictor, and from N we are having role of nitric oxide, the most important local vasodilator. So these are seven mechanisms for long-term regulation of blood pressure. So for both the question, first enumerate these mechanisms and then describe the important ones. Over and above, we are having two more questions, clinical questions from CVS: cardiac failure and shock. And in both the condition there are two stages: compensated stage and uncompensated stage. So in compensated stage of both cardiac failure and shock, we can mention all these seven short term and seven long term, 14 mechanisms, and these mechanisms correct or cure this stage of shock and failure even without outside therapy. So these can be mentioned. So we can see that there are four important questions of CVS where names of these mechanisms play a very important role. Really friends, worth remembering them. Thank you.